Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Today, I am going to teach you about directions or directions. Anfatat, 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 anfatat. Let's see the diagram that I made today. We have four main directions. Yes, north, south, west, and east. East, west, north, south. So this is ሰሜን ሰሜን ደቡብ ደቡብ ምዕራብ ምዕራብ ምብራቅ ምብራቅ ምብራቅ. So the place between the two directions between ሰሜን and ምብራቅ is ሰሜን and ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ. It's like northeast, 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 northwest, northwest. ሰሜን ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜን ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ. Same token, ደቡብ ምብራቅ south, east, southeast. South, west, ደቡብ ምዕራብ southwest, ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ደቡብ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ደቡብ ምብራቅ ደቡባዊ ምምራቅ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜን ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜን ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ. I hope you got them. Let me repeat it. ሰሜን ደቡብ ሰሜን ደቡብ ደቡብ ምዕራብ ምዕራብ ምብራቅ 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 ምዕራብ ምዕራብ ሰሜን ደቡብ ምብራቅ ደቡብ ምብራቅ ደቡብ ምብራቅ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜን ምብራቅ ሰሜን ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜን ምዕራብ ሰሜን ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ደቡብ ምዕራብ ደቡብ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ. Okay, let's see them in writing. Let's see them in writing. ሰሜን ሰሜን means north. ደቡብ ደቡብ south. And this one is ምብራቅ. ምብራቅ means east. ምብራቅ is east. And this one is ምዕራብ. ምዕራብ. ምዕራብ means west. ምዕራብ west. This one is ሰሜናዊ 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 ምብራቅ. north east. north east. ሰሜናዊ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ north east. ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ north west ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ደቡባዊ ደቡባዊ means southern ማለት or south. ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ምብራቅ means east. ምብራቅ is ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ southeast. We don't say east south, we say southeast. Same thing in ትግርኛ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ. Okay, and this one is ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ. An alphabet is missing here. B. Okay, and this one is, as I say, we don't say ምዕራብ ምዕራባዊ ደቡብ. We don't say that western south or west south. We say southwest. The same thing ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ south east south west ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ same token here I don't say west north or east north north east north west so north is ሰሜን so ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ and ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ north west ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ north east and remember the directions the 4 directions the main directions always it's so simple we just have to pay attention so this is ሰሜን is north and ደቡብ is south ምብራቅ is east ምዕራብ is west thank you how about I revise this one more time this one ምዕራብ I start from here ሰሜን ደቡብ ሰሜን ደቡብ ምዕራብ ምብራቅ ምዕራብ ምብራቅ ሰሜን ደቡብ ደቡብ ምብራቅ ደቡባዊ ምብራቅ ደቡብ ምዕራብ ደቡባዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜን ምዕራብ ሰሜናዊ ምዕራብ ሰሜን ምብራቅ ሰሜናዊ ምብራቅ hope you got it thank you for watching and see you in the next video ሰሰናዩ ጠጥዕሙ